How is Viraj as a boss?
He's fantastic. He's amazing.
अच्छा है, झूठ मत बोले, डरा के रखा है क्या? बहुत अच्छा है.
He is pretty good.
I generally believe he's a very nice person, but he gets very. But a restaurant life can change you as a person. माचा बनाता है, कॉफी बनाता है विराज, हाथों से बनाता है. देखते. Let's see. So where we headed? हम जा रहे हैं ऐसी जगह. This is our first vlog. This is Anmol.
Hello there.
Recently joined a team and आजकल मुझसे कुछ ज्यादा ही काम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है. Right signal दे देना. ये रिक्शा. Where are you going, rickshaw? I know like half the internet knows now. Like Viraj Ghelani and his wife Palak have opened a cafe. We're going to Slow Cafe. I've been hearing a lot of good things about. 1 minute. ये जाने दे. I am going to see what they've done and wish them good luck. Support in whatever way I can because Viraj is a great guy. In fact, when I just had like a 15,000 followers, I used to work with Viraj. I told him, can you share one of my recipe videos? He told me कि रोज post करेगा. The first big name to actually share one of my recipes before all the other big names are now following the page is actually Viraj. And I owe it to him that I return the favor back by telling everyone कि बहुत बढ़िया कॉफी है, बहुत बढ़िया फूड है, बहुत बढ़िया सर्विस है, बहुत बढ़िया ओनर है, बहुत बढ़िया matcha है. The whole internet wants to see if Viraj can make a good matcha. I don't know if he'll make one for me. अगर विराज ने matcha बना लिया, ये वीडियो को 10,000 लाइक चाहिए. ठीक है, 10,000. 200 व्यूज भी नहीं आएंगे, लेकिन 10,000 लाइक्स चाहिए. I think I'm a good driver though. I will say that. I follow all the rules.
A few moments later.
मैं सिग्नल तोड़ रहा हूँ. अरे पांडु पकड़ेगा क्या? Guys, now we enter the famous Western Express Highway. There is nothing express about it. We rename so many things. एयरपोर्ट का नाम बदल दो, एरिया का रोड का नाम बदल. मैं बोलता हूँ वेस्टर्न एक्सप्रेस हाईवे का नाम बदल के उसे सिर्फ वेस्टर्न वे कर दो. Because it is not even highway anymore. 2 मिनट अभी चल के जाएंगे to the cafe because as usual parking नहीं मिली है. I couldn't see the cafe, so apparently we passed it. I'm assuming हमारी बकवास में हमने left right नहीं देखा है. I even got some gifts for Viraj's cafe or home. Let's walk slowly to Slow Cafe. Found Slow Cafe, guys. BMC is doing its own decoration for Viraj. They said तुमने cafe बांधा, हम नया रोड बांध देंगे 5 साल के अंदर. We're very early. Cafe opens at 2 o'clock. It's 1:10. Let's see if they give me a job.
Later.
They're not hiring me. मैं इतनी दूर चेंबूर से आया है, जॉब नहीं है.
Okay, before we talk about the food and the coffee, let's just talk about the vibe of this place. The moment you walk in, there's a small little window at the entrance where you can see people making coffee. It instantly gives you that Japanese, Bangkok, Korean, small cafe energy, very calm, minimal, and just really inviting. There's also this outdoor area where they have this coffee station where they plan to sell their own coffee and also have some brewing sessions so that you learn how to make the perfect cup of coffee. What I loved was this is a pet-friendly cafe, so you can get your pets along. They've also adopted a few doggos, or I was told the dogs have adopted themselves into the cafe. There's a lot of wood, a lot of greens, a lot of stone textures, and super comfortable seating options. And that's not all. There's another floor with more seating options, including this big community table so that you can actually sit, stay back, work, enjoy your coffee, eat your food, and just slow down.
Videos देखिए chicken recipes, so I love.
Yeah, you made chicken.
घर पे obviously.
मैं खुद चिकन बनाने वाला था इधर, लेकिन I have respect. तो मेरे को कोई जॉब मिलेगा तो अच्छा होगा. आई वॉश गुड बर्तन. एक प्याज चॉप कर सकता हूँ, उससे ज्यादा नहीं करूँगा. You are?
I'm Nandini.
And what do you do, Nandini?
I work as a pastry cook at Slow.
You have your own space too. And downstairs there's a separate.
Never. Pastry and hot kitchen are always going to be.
Pastry and hot kitchen never get along. That is the universal rule.
Yeah.
Do we get to eat that? Sorry, I'm not listening. I am more concerned about this.
And guess what? It's made with ragi flour.
Is it?
These are the orange and dark chocolate tea cake we've
Oh, wow.
done with streusel on top.
Wow, that's really nice. Just lie to the camera, say thank you so much for cutting the 5 kilos of strawberries.
Thank you so much for helping us and entertaining us more than helping.
That's not the line. Yes, you're moving away from the script.
Thanking you.
Hi, I'm Sahil.
Sahil.
I work as a hospitality consultant.
Sahil is responsible for all the coffee you get. I know he's here. See, that guy owns the restaurant. I think he doesn't know if he owns it.
ओनर ने मेरे को सिखाया
Co-founder.
co-founder
Co-founder,
या
waiter, chef.
एक और भी है बिल लेके आ वो दैट आल्सो आई एम दैट ओनली
I think people will see you on the road also. अरे मेरा वो bill में ना
अब वो भी आया
वो. But when is this opening in Bandra? Because
वी वांट पीपल टू बी हियर ओनली एंड एलिवेट दिस प्लेस या अगर सब लोग बैंड्रा ही ग्रो करते रहेंगे तो फिर ये सारी जगह कैसे ग्रो करेंगे
exactly. How will Mokabo become known as the cafe capital of?
इट्स कॉल्ड मलाड कांदिवली बोरेली माकाबो नॉट मोकोबो इट्स नॉट मोलाड इट्स मलाड
That is Makabo.
या
Not a bad word. Why cafe like after all this?
पलक का दिमाग था
Palak was always in food.
Yes, Palak was always in food and Palak also wanted to open a cafe. It was a dream. I thought कि चलो ठीक है wife is always right.
मैं सबको बोलता हूँ wife is right, but
Wife did a good job in making all these things. So we opened.
can you make me a matcha?
I can try.
Can you make one matcha? Just
I can try. चल.
चलो. What is this?
Shaving cream का वो जो होता है ना अपना माचा बहुत अच्छा है इधर का मतलब पब्लिक बोल रहा है मैं नहीं बोलता
So the person who does not like to make matcha is going to make matcha.
क्या चालू किसे करते हैं इसको हेलो साहिल साहिल मैम साहिल गिव रिस्पेक्ट कैसे माचा बनाते मेरे को बता इट्स अ सेरेमोनियल माचा इट्स नॉट अ culinary माचा दिस इज डबल ए दिस इज द हाईएस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ
And your
माचा
matcha.
अभी कितना डालना है 3.6 हो गया एक मिनट आई एम वेरी पर्टिकुलर
Ah, कंजूस निकल.
अभी
Now?
ट्रेन करना है
Oh shit! There are
Sick
different
is
tools.
ब्रो हम लोग प्रोफेशनल लोग हैं
This is from Japan. All these tools.
या तो मोमेंट यू सिप नो इधर टंग 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 आवाज बजेगा तो जापान जाएगा
She got the fruit guy inside to pick the strawberries. I love this.
धीरे धीरे सब्जी वाले भी आएंगे
This is like farm to table.
दिस इज फ्रॉम ठेला टू टेबल
I don't understand matcha myself.
I don't like matcha. The best place of matcha should be in dustbin.
So you're doing this just for me.
Yeah. अभी क्या करने के? It's my first time.
Why does matcha taste like grass?
It tastes like mehendi, Japanese mehendi. So now we are adding how much? 10 ml of honey.
This is Madagascar vanilla.
Yeah.
Then try breaking all of the.
अभी इसको मैं बाल पे लगाएगा और
तो मैं अगर बाल पिलाया तो बाल आ जाएंगे क्या?
बाल नहीं आएंगे इससे बाल कलर हो जाएंगे your gray will be covered guys बोला कि the bread is very खट्टा मैं बोला sourdough होता है वो so I'm yet to understand the mindset of the people
मतलब तू इंग्लिश भी सीख गया इसमें?
bro अपन इसमें डालेंगे ना उसमें ऐसा एस्थेटिक लगेगा क्या आदमी है मैं यार
Oh, the slow pour is just. Ooh.
बच गया भाई
And officially, it is time to taste the best matcha.
let me tell you please
Stir it. Best matcha in Makabo.
सिटी बोल दे मुंबई
Whole Maharashtra.
till Japan this is the best
Oh, that's really nice. Who did it? You're telling me someone didn't stir this and just tasted it with the
रिव्यू दिखाओ
I think it's perfectly sweet. Enough matcha levels.
My wife will be very angry because I've never made a matcha for her.
We will frame her behind you somewhere in the wall looking over you. अभी मैं एक drink बनाता है.
वो वाला बना तेरा coconut.
And you let me know if you will hire me. Okay, so we're making
मेरा phone में क्या
the
था?
coconut espresso float. Where it will float, we will decide later. Okay, glass with ice. No, all looking at me, I'm getting scared. तो 21 हो गया तो विराट चिल्लाता है. We're 3 grams over. I'm sorry. Just give this.
Yes.
I did it. I'm going to serve this to a table. I'm not done this in the vlog. Viraj, if you're watching, you pay me. Hi, it's my first day over here.
Oh,
I'm trying to get a job here, so I hope you guys enjoy it.
thank you so much.
Please,
Of course,
it's
I'll
bad.
see.
Tell me.
It looks great though. Thank you.
We're gonna serve some food because I need this job really bad. I guess. Here's thank you. Makeup guys. I'm new here. I'm trying to get a job here to work with. So if it's good, I get hired. Okay. वरना मैं गाड़ी से चल जाऊंगी. But
Okay, I'm just going to say the coffee was great. It's a small menu, but there's just something for everyone. I'm personally a cold brew person, so that was amazing. But I've particularly come here to taste the food envisioned by Palak because she's been in this F&B space for a while, and I'm very sure that her palate is definitely more elevated than her husband's, who does enjoy food, but thoda nakhra hai uska. The kitchen is small, but designed super efficiently. Thanks to Viraj, the place is always packed. So you know that the kitchen has been tested by this moment. Now we started off with the nachos. You may think nothing special over here, but everything is made in-house. Even the nachos, not made with corn, they're made with millets. The cheese sauce, the salsa, sour cream, everything in that bowl is in-house. Then we tried the mac and cheese because I just love a good mac and cheese. Super comforting, properly cheesy, exactly what you want.
चेडर लेके आते
थोड़ा सा
सूप बहुत बनाते
मालूम है रे।
मतलब मेरे को मालूम नहीं मेरे को नहीं मालूम था मैं स्टार्टिंग में टेबल बोला चेडर भी हम लोग बना रहे मेरे को पलक फिर पलक ने मेरे को बोला कि गधे नहीं होता वैसे
The sweet potato fries was amazing. I also want to point out that the menu is 100% vegetarian and Jain friendly as well.
This is Jain.
This is Jain.
That is Jain. I can't believe that.
Yeah, this is Jain.
So definitely another reason for you guys to check it out. Next we end up something that blew my mind, the dessert. Palak really brings her A game when we talk about the dessert. The Bass cheesecake out of this world. Creamy, rich with those fresh berries. It was big enough to share, but I don't think I want to share this with anyone. We also tried the French toast with the forest berries. The brioche was perfect. Overall, I would give the food a perfect 10 on 10.
Amazing. And I can't believe that there is no sugar, you use coconut sugar. And I understand why you are picking the strawberries. Amazing, really good. Hi.
He was not involved at all, okay, at all. And then suddenly one week after the opening, he got involved so much, and I was like, "What's happening?"
मैंने वाट लगा
I think he just found content ideas.
No, I just told him that I'm glad that you are so involved, but you should have been listening from the beginning. It would have been easy.
And he made you open during the busiest time of the year.
Yeah, and I told him that I will eat one more week, and he's like, "Oh, that's fine."
So you can't literally.
Right now, if we have a team of 20 people, we opened with 10 people.
Yeah.
So it was all our friends and family taking orders and delivering orders.
You are the only person who's allowed to who scolds him half the time in the cafe.
बहुत गाली खाता हूँ हम लोग का literally we wake up happily and we sleep fighting.
I would say food is amazing. But I think y'all are in a space where you all have to educate people about the food. So it's going to be a challenge.
If she can teach me, she can teach anyone.
No one can teach you, bro. No one can teach you.
By the way,
Time.
Nihal, please tell her about the matcha.
He made matcha for me, and I think it is the best matcha I've had.
Yeah, so he has to make one more now. Whenever anybody talks about matcha, I do and all.
That he did now also. I will tell you what he officially called it. He's like mehendi in a drink. I served 2 tables. We made coffee for 1 table.
Okay.
वो नहीं ऑफिस नहीं आया.
So since I am ambassador for this cookware, I have these specifically, but really good ones. So you can cook really good food. I especially told them to get the Firona, which is like a cast iron pan, and this is a proper kadai, proper cast iron kadai.
ऐसा होता है.
100%. So don't put tomato or anything in this.
Why?
You can't cook tomato, any acidic things in. But this is for y'all. So, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you very much for having us.
So as we end, I just want to say a big thank you to the entire team for having us. Opening and running a cafe is a full-time journey, and honestly, it takes a lot which people don't see. And best of luck to them. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a successful cafe. And to anyone watching in Mumbai wondering whether they should go there, you should definitely visit. And if you're lucky, you can even get a chance to take a picture with Viraj himself, which can be a bonus.
And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to the page, hit that like icon. And if you want us to visit your special place, message us on Instagram and we will see how we can get there. And bye.